Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x to the power x. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 plus 2x. So what is the value of x? Now, let's provide a solution from here. Now, let's start with method 1. We are going to solve this algebra problem by applying two methods. Let's start with method 1. We have x to the power x. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 plus 2x. Now you find that 2 to the power 8 plus 2x, this is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which you can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, here we have x to the power x, this is equal to 2 to the power 8 times 2 to the power 2x. Now, you find that 2 to the power 2x, we can express this as 2 to the power 2 raised to the power x. This is in the form of a to the power m times n, which you can express as a to the power n raised to the power m. Applying this property, that way we have 2 to the power 2 raised to the power x. 2 to the power 2, in this case, this is equal to 4 raised to the power x. Substituting this here, we'll have x to the power x. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 times 4 to the power x. The next step from here, let's divide both sides by 4 to the power x, so that here we have 4 to the power x. So 4 to the power x here simplifies. So we have x to the power x divided by 4 to the power x. This is in the form of a to the power n over b to the power n, which you can express as a over b raised to the power n. Applying this exponent property from here, this implies that we have x over 4 raised to the power x. This is equal to 2 to the power 8. The next step from here, we have the base is x over 4 and the exponent is x. So to make the base and the exponent the same, we multiply both sides by 1 over 4. So we have x over 4 raised to the power x. Now from here, let's multiply both sides by 1 over 4. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 8 raised to the power 1 over 4. The next step from here, 1 over x raised to the power x raised to the power 1 over 4. This is in the form of a to the power n raised to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n times m. Applying this exponent property from here, this implies we have x over 4 raised to the power x over 4. This is equal to, now 2 to the power 8 multiplied by 1 over 4. We can simplify here by 4 1. 8 divided by 4, this is equal to 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 2. So clearly, you can see that on the left-hand side, the base and the exponent is the same. On the right-hand side, the base and the exponent is the same. So this implies that x over 4, this is equal to 2. So this implies again here, to solve for x here, we multiply both sides by 4. So this implies that x is equal to 2 times 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 times 2. This is equal to 8. So this is the value of x by applying method 1. So let's solve for the value of x by applying method 2 as follows. Now, by applying method 2 from here, we have x to the power x. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 plus 2x. So we are going to apply logarithm on both sides. So we have log x to the power x. This is equal to log 2 to the power 8 plus 2x. Now, log x to the power x and log 2 to the power 8 plus 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which you can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property from here, then log x to the power x becomes x log x. This is equal to, now we have log 2 to the power 8 plus 2x. This can be expressed as 8 plus 2x log 2. So the next step from here, we have 8 plus 2x log 2. So this implies that x log x, this is equal to 8, this is the same thing as 8 log 2, then plus 2x log 2. So let's take 2x log 2 on the left hand side, so that here we have x log x, subtract 2x log 2, this is equal to 8 log 2. The next step is that x is common here, so we can factor out x so that we have x into the parentheses. This is the same thing as, this is log x, subtract 2 log 2, this is equal to 8 log 2. The next step from here, you find that 2 log 2, this implies that this is the power. So we can express this as x into the parentheses. Here we have log x, subtract log 2 to the power 2. Close the bracket, this is equal to 8 log 2. Now, the next step from here, we have x into the parentheses. This is log x, subtract log 4. Close the bracket, this is equal to 8 log 2. Now, you find that log x minus log 4, this is in the form of log a minus log b, which we can express as log a over b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we have x into the parentheses. This is the same thing as log x over 4. Close the brackets here. This is equal to 8 log 2. Now, we have log x over 4. This is actually the base from here. So we can divide from here by 4 and also here by 4. So that now, here we have x over 4 into the parentheses. This is the same thing as log x over 4, close the parentheses, this is equal to 8 divided by 4 here, by 4 1, by 4 2. So we have 2 log 2. So by making comparison here, x over 4, this is equal to 2. And here we have log x over 4. This is equal to log 2. Now, this implies that here we can multiply both sides by 4, so that now the value of x from here is equal to 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. So the value of x is equal to 8. Now, if you compare log x over 4 and log 2 here, log and log simplifies, so that we have x over 4. This is equal to 2. Let's multiply both sides by 4 and also here by 4. So that now x is equal to 8. So both method 1, now we have that the value of x here is equal to 8. And this implies that both method 1 and method 2 gives the same value of x. So the next step from here is to verify. So let's verify that the value of x satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that x to the power of x, this is equal to 2 to the power of 8 plus 2x. Substituting the value of x, which is equal to 8, from here, this implies that we have 8 to the power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 plus 2 times 8. So here we have 8 to the power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power 8. This is 8 plus 8 times 2. This is equal to 16. Therefore, we have 8 to the power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 plus 16. This is equal to 24. And therefore, we have 8 to the power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power 24. We can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Let's substitute this. So we have 2 to the power 3 raised to the power 8. This is equal to 2 to the power 24. Now, this implies here, this is 2 to the power 8 times 3. This is 24, which is equal to 2 to the power 24. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 8, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.